Stay dripped to the feet, night ticks on fleet. With it, me, shorty fall free. Ain't no killers, I'm just killing all these beats. Ain't no killers, I'm just killing all these beats. Stay dripped to the feet, night ticks on fleet. With it, fall me, shorty fall free. Ain't no killers, I'm just killing all these beats. Ain't no killers, I'm just killing all these beats. And I'm staying dripped out, yeah. Even when I'm in your mouth, yeah. Keep 100, I don't ever switch out. If she talking, I'ma kick a shout. Yeah, that Glock got kick back, hit him in the neck. That's my big broad, big strap, I don't hold a tech, yeah. Shit, big boss, I'm just cutting checks, yeah. Fat, Rick Ross size, one a neck. Got my brother right beside me, name is Tommy, keep it Tommy. Uzi right beside him, if you try him, then you die. Fuck with the kid, we gonna turn ya the ions. I'm with fossil with this shit, so I can tell when you been lying. Running on my money, I'm on my supersonic. I'ma pop a molly, had me walking like a zombie. I've been spitting at you like a llama on my dolly. Better beg your pardon, like your f***ing name was Dolly. It's dripped to the feet, night ticks on fleet. Fuck with it, fuck me, fuck shorty, fall free. Ain't no killers, I'm just killing all these beats. Ain't no killers, I'm just killing all these beats. Stay dripped to the feet, night ticks on fleet. Fuck with it, fuck me, fuck shorty, fall free. Ain't no killers, I'm just killing all these beats.
Stop taking it back. I ain't worried about that. I'm just thinking about you. Know I got your back. I've been feeling real low. Where the fuck I'm gon' go if I don't really get it like that? I'm just taking the breeze. Promise just give me the end of the week. Y'all do not know how I gotta improve. Y'all do not know about the shit that I do.
Nah, I can't fuck with you. Nah, I've been on my shit. I've been moving real slow. This bitch slow mo. Don't know my goal, but tonight I know I'm gold. I'm taking off about that, then I get it right back. See her coming my way. What the fuck I'm gon' say when she in my face? Say I'm feeling okay, but my mind just been running on days. If you left me, would you come back? If you left me, would you come back? You're the type of bitch that wouldn't fight back. I've been tryna find where the night's at. I've been tryna find where the night's at. You can probably find me where the lights at. You can probably find me where the lights at. You can tell me you don't wanna bite back. Hold up, can you keep up on my page? I've been making tracks every day, so it never really matter what you say about this, about that. I've been getting fucked up, but I'm staying on track. Really, I just took a pull, got me chugging all the bottles. She just hit a dance, struck a pose like a model. I was just in the stain, tell me what you do about it. Had her running tests, I don't fuck with anybody. Like, hold up, fly shit, I'm solo. I can get it jumping like a pogo. You inside a box, you like a hobo. Kick your shit out like a dojo. Got a couple bitches off the mojo. I'm a big fish, you a minnow. Say they fucking with my shit, hit 'em with the ditto. I'm just saving shit, I'm just being sentimental. Starting off the block, got my pedal to the metal.